Creating your own show usually requires writers, designers, and an entire production team. With Creator, we can bring the whole process into a single AI-powered workflow. Creator lets you build an entire AI-generated show from the ground up, from the initial concept and show Bible to character design, scripts, storyboards, and complete episodes. In this tutorial, I'll show you the full workflow, starting from the very first step. The first thing we need to do is log into the system. Simply click Sign In, enter your credentials, and you're ready to go. Once you're inside the platform, open Creator from the menu on the left. From here, you can either create a new creator right away or open a folder to view the creators you've already made. For this tutorial, we'll create a new one. Give your creator a name, add a description if needed, and continue to the first setup screen. Before we look at the available options, it's important to understand what a show Bible is. A show Bible is the central reference document for your project. It defines the show's concept, world, characters, visual direction, tone, and storytelling rules, helping the AI keep everything consistent across scripts, designs, and episodes. Here, we have 4 options. The first option is Adapt a book. Simply upload a book in a supported format, and the AI will read it from beginning to end and use it to build a show Bible. The second option is Insert Bible. If you already have a completed show Bible, you can import it into Creator. The AI will then use it to generate visual development sheets, scripts, episode beat sheets, and the rules that will guide the show throughout production. The third option is Insert a Script. This allows you to import an existing script, which the AI will analyze and use as the foundation for the show. The final option is Start with a Prompt, and this is probably the most interesting one. You can briefly describe your show idea, and the AI will generate a complete show Bible based on your prompt. You can then review it, edit it, and add more details where needed. We'll return to this option later. For now, let's choose Insert Bible and upload the completed Bible for our show.
Once the AI import script window opens, click Upload File. Select your document. And then choose Import as Bible. There are several other fields and settings available in this window, but we'll come back to those another time. After the file is analyzed, the AI compares the Bible against the platform's production standards. It identifies any missing information, highlights the gaps, and suggests enriching the imported document to bring it up to the show Bible standard. These enrichments may include more detailed descriptions and reference cards for characters, locations, and important show props. This information will be especially useful later when we start generating the visual development materials, but we'll return to that part of the workflow shortly. Click Apply Enrichments and wait for the AI agent to complete the process. While working, the agent may also suggest adding props or other important elements that are missing from the original Bible. Accept the suggested additions, and once the process is complete, the creator will have the structured information it needs to begin developing the show. On this page, we can see all the entities imported from our Bible by the AI agent, organized in a tree structure. From here, we can access any entity in the project, including characters, locations, props, episodes, scripts, and beat sheets. When we open an entity, we can see its name, description, and role in the show. Any text field can be edited manually, so we can add, remove, or update details about a character's appearance and personality, as well as descriptions of props and locations that will later be used throughout production. The Bible branch, in our case, Potions, Problems, and Other Tuesdays Bible, contains all the entities imported from the original show Bible. Any changes we make inside this branch will also be reflected in the Show tab, which we'll look at in a moment. At the top of the page, we can switch between Tree View and Graph View. Graph View is useful for visualizing the relationships between different entities, but for this tutorial, we'll work primarily with the Tree View. From the same area, we can open the Show tab. Here, we can see the Bible in the structured form in which it was imported into the system. This makes it easy to browse any part of the project, including the overview, episodes, cast, locations, props, and the show's style and rules. We can also edit this information with the help of the AI agent. This tab also allows us to customize how the Bible is displayed in the interface, making it easier to organize and review the information in a way that suits our workflow. Another tab available here is Continuity. This is used to review entity state continuity across the series. For example, if a character, location, or object changes visually over the course of several episodes, Continuity helps us track, review, and adjust those changes. Because of the episodic structure of our show, we probably won't need to use this feature in this tutorial. The top toolbar in Creator includes several additional tools for working with the series. We can search for entities, apply filters, monitor active tasks such as generations and agent actions, import new content, and create entities manually. For now, however, let's focus on one of the most powerful tools in Creator, the AI agent. The AI agent allows us to automate many production tasks with a single prompt. Need to create a storyboard, write a script, completely redesign a character? Simply describe the task, and the agent can handle the process for you. When we open the agent panel, we can choose from several different modes. For now, we'll focus on the most useful one, Orchestrate. Orchestrate analyzes the request and launches several tasks in parallel, assigning them to more specialized agents. This allows complex requests to be completed more quickly and efficiently. The small button on the right is Auto, also called Auto Progress. When this option is enabled, the agent works in a fully automatic mode. It won't stop to ask clarifying questions and will make the necessary decisions on its own. For better control over the process, we'll leave this option turned off. Now, let's use the agent for a simple task to demonstrate how it works. For example, let's rename the character Sir Aldrich from the first episode to Sir Henry. To do this, enter a simple request. Change Sir Aldrich's name to Sir Henry. Then click Send. The agent now analyzes the request and plans the steps required to complete it. It identifies every place where the character's name appears, including the relevant entities and sections of the show Bible, and then applies the changes across the project. Once the task is complete, we can see that the character has been renamed from Sir Aldrich to Sir Henry, both in the entity tree and in the show Bible itself. This simple example demonstrates how the AI agent can update connected information across the project without requiring us to search for and edit every reference manually. At this point, we've explored the main Creator interface, imported and enriched our show Bible, reviewed the project entities, and learned how to make changes with the AI agent. Next, we'll move on to the production process and begin creating the first episode of our show. PixieLabs, designed for creators, built for production.